So just a little backstory. I have never been able to open my mom's garage door to get into her house since she got a new garage opener, and everybody else can open it. She tells me the code every time, even though I know it. She tells me to push 0 every time, even though I know to do that. It doesn't work for me. It doesn't work. And so now her and Allie, my daughter, have convinced me that it's because my fingers are too fat and I'm hitting more than one button. So I've got my pencil ready. I'm going to try to get into this stupid garage door. But I want proof that I'm trying and it's not working. So let's see what happens. I'm going to come in sort of to the side so you don't see all the code, but let's see what happens. And I entered the code with the pencil, and the garage door still is not opening. So what my mom would say now is, you're doing it too fast, or you're doing it too slow. And honestly, I've done it exactly medium pace both times this time, but I'm gonna try it one more time fast, and I'm gonna try it one more time slow, and let's see what happens. Okay, that was slow. So slow didn't work. When I reset it, I'm going to try faster this time. And as you can see, the garage door still didn't open. So probably what I'm gonna have to do at this point is kick the stupid frickin' garage door